Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging method for your headphones Audeze Maxwell. The first one is to use a USB-C cable. So just connect your USB-C cable to USB-C port on your headphones. And right here at the bottom we have a LED light. What it means that it's charging. And the second option is to use your phone. So you should have a USB-C to USB-C cable right here, or if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect the cable to your headphones and the second one to your phone. And we also have a LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!